approach of death, it's the beginning of the end. Sweat chilling cold as I watch death unfold. Consciousness my